So, what we're going to do is, like most card tricks, as you know, it's like you take a card, I try to predict it, all that sort of stuff, okay? What I want you to do is just cut the deck in half, okay? Okay, once you take them, don't look at them, just hold them down like that, okay?
This one?
Yeah, just hold them like that, hold them on, okay? So what we're going to do is, we're going to see can we use what's called duality, okay? Like duality is basically like connecting.
Yeah.
So if I want to connect with you, I'm going to see can we pick the same card, okay? So what I'm going to do is this, spread your cards out. Just pick out any random card and stick it out like that, okay? Any random card. Just do what I have there. Okay, you sure? Do you want to change it?
No.
Happy? No. Make sure that there's no cheating here. You take my card, I'll take yours. Okay, and put it on top. Okay? So, I want you to see, can you feel the connection, okay? Just look at me for a sec. Connection, just look at me now. Hold your top card like that. On the count of 3, turn it over. 1, 2, 3. That's quite random, isn't it? Okay. Now, just to prove it's not a fluke, will we try it again?
Yeah.
Okay, so again, I'm just going to do the same thing, okay? Okay, so watch. Just go through all the cards, stop at a random card, anyone you like. And even if you pick one, you can change it. Doesn't really matter. You happy with that? You take mine, I'll take yours. Same thing, put it on top. Okay, on the count of 3. Think about duality again. 1, 2, 3, go. Now, what's really weird is, I want you to hold the cards like this. On the count of 3, I want you to start flipping them over one by one with me. 1, 2, 3, go. It's the only card you could have picked from.
What?
See? You actually didn't have a choice. Do you believe that?
Okay. So I could have only picked.
Well, you had free will, you had free choice, am I right?
Yeah.
You picked those cards by yourself.
Yeah.
You could have changed any time.
Yeah.
Yes. You picked 2 aces. Well done.